Well, we begin with some breaking news in this edition. Congress appears to be in a tough spot as Sachin Pilot speaks to Republic on the Rajasthan crisis. These are the details that we are getting right now. We are ready to fight the MLAs, not only with me, they are with the people of Rajasthan. Whatever I will do is for the people of the state, and rest assured, we will continue to fight for the people of Rajasthan. I will make my intent clear soon. Whatever I do is for the people. I have the support. You cannot keep MLAs against their will for a long time. A very important statement now being put out by Sachin Pilot, Pradeep Bhandari. Clear indication that Sachin Pilot is not going to give up, is certainly not going to give in to the kind of tactics that is being played by the High Command here in the national capital. What is absolutely clear, the Congress party's insatiable desire for self-destruction. It's apparently very, very clear the way they are basically heading, trying to isolate Sachin Pilot. And now this particular statement that has been given by Sachin Pilot to Republic TV is a clear indication of what's going to happen next.
Absolutely, Shravan. In fact, it's extremely clear that what Randeep Surjewala said, that they are in talks with the Sachin Pilot over the past 48 hours, does not seem to be true. Because with the way he said that you cannot keep the MLAs without their will for long, clearly indicates that Sachin Pilot is not going to Congress party. The talks in the last 48 hours, which Randeep Surjewala was talking about, looks to be hogwash. And the intent is extremely clear that either Sachin Pilot will have his own front, or there might be a possibility that Sachin Pilot will join BJP. None of us know that. But clearly the indication is that Sachin Pilot will be making a decision which will be a long-haul decision. It is not a short-term decision. Now look at this, Shravan, that as Anuj and our reporters were telling that 102 MLAs are with Ashok Gehlot, and they've given more than 2 hours in order to ensure that the flock of Sachin Pilot reduces. But this statement at this hour is critical, is an indication to the MLAs with Ashok Gehlot, which are Sachin Pilot loyalists, but are kept with Ashok Gehlot by force. So clearly this is a big battle which you are seeing, and a statement by Sachin Pilot in the next 2-3 hours will make it extremely clear where the fight is heading to. So even if Ashok Gehlot manages to form the government, Sachin Pilot will ensure that the long fight is somewhere he has the last laugh.
Well, we're talking about a leader who ensured that the Congress party returns to power in the state. What happens to that same very leader? The Congress party tries to isolate the leader, and not just that, doesn't give what he essentially deserves. Let me also bring in our reporters at this point in time. I'm given to understand that Amit Bhardwaj would be joining us in a short while from now. But before I go across to Amit, a quick response. Right now, I'm given to understand that Amit is already joining us on this broadcast. Amit, ये बताइए आप इस वक्त कहाँ हैं और क्या स्थिति है? कहीं ना कहीं जिस तरह से सचिन पायलट अब ये कह रहे हैं कि इंटेंट जो है वो क्लियर किया जाएगा आने वाले कुछ घंटों में, आपके पास क्या जानकारी है?
देखिए, मैं मुख्यमंत्री निवास स्थान पे हूँ। मैं आपको पहले तस्वीरें दिखा देता हूँ यहाँ से, और आप ये तस्वीरें देख सकते हैं। अभी करीब 6 व्हीकल्स अभी आए हैं और जो है लोग यहाँ पर पहुँचे हैं। तो जो सुबह से बात कर रहे थे अशोक गहलोत के कैंप के लोग कि हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो है लोगों को यहाँ पर इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं, MLAs जोड़ रहे हैं, तो लेकिन जिस तरह से बॉडी लैंग्वेज उनकी थी, कहीं ना कहीं जो डिले भी हो रहा है उनकी मीटिंग्स में, तो यही है कहीं ना कहीं चिंता है कि लोग जो है वो पूरा आंकड़ा नहीं है, क्योंकि जो उन्होंने क्लेम किया था वो पूरा क्लेम जो है यहाँ जो है वो पूरा नहीं हो पा रहा था। अभी 6 गाड़ियाँ जो हैं वो एंटर की हैं सेम हाउस में। तो यहाँ मुख्यमंत्री निवास पर आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ आपको तस्वीरें विजय सुरेंद्र शाह दिखा रहे हैं। ये सारी तस्वीरें मैं आपको बता दूं कि अभी 6 गाड़ियां अंदर गई हैं। हालांकि सचिन पायलट कल शाम से ही जो उन्होंने दावे किए थे उसी पर अडिग है, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो है राजनीति बदलती दिखाई दे रही है। राजस्थान की अगर हम बात करें तो जयपुर की अगर बात करें तो कभी कोई कुछ आंकड़े बोल रहा है, कभी कोई कुछ। उनके अपने मंत्री और विधायक की अगर हम बॉडी लैंग्वेज देखें तो वहाँ पर भी कुछ ना कुछ शिकन उनके माथों पर ज़रूर दिखाई दे रही है। कहीं ना कहीं वो ढीले दिखाई दे रहे हैं और उनको भी लग रहा है। और इसी तरह से दिग्गज नेता जो कांग्रेस के हैं वो हमेशा अपनी बात में ये कह रहे हैं कि हमारे दरवाजे खुले। तो कहीं ना कहीं जो कांग्रेस की राजनीति राजस्थान की है वो डगमगाई हुई है और भूचाल आया हुआ है, क्योंकि सचिन पायलट वहाँ पर जो है जो दावे कर रहे थे वो अभी भी वो दावे कर रहे हैं। और एक्सक्लूसिव उन्होंने बात भी की है रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क से। उन्होंने ये साफ कर दिया है कि मैं जो दावा कर रहा रहा हूं वो बिल्कुल सही है और मैं उससे लड़ूंगा, लंबी लड़ाई लड़ूंगा और ये एक लंबी लड़ाई चलेगी भी। और यहाँ पर मैं आपको बता दूं कि अभी तक बैठक शुरू नहीं हो पाई, 10:30 बजे सुबह उनको बैठक शुरू करनी थी। अगर इतने कॉन्फिडेंट थे, इतनी ज्यादा उनको लग रहा था कि हम लोग अपने आंकड़े जो है वो प्रूफ कर पाएंगे, तो बैठक क्यों नहीं शुरू हुई और क्यों उनके मंत्री जो है कभी अंदर कभी बाहर इस तरह लोगों को। हाँ जी,
Public media network that he's making that this is the fight for the people of Rajasthan. This is a long haul. This is not a fight for a day or so. And keeping in mind that he still claims that there are 25 MLAs with him. And as there is a continuous shift and as information also came in that there are at least more than a dozen MLAs who would want to come out of the official residence of the Chief Minister but are not being allowed, it seems that this fight is going to go on for around 5 to 7 days with IT raids happening across the state, across the city of Jaipur. Initially, it was planned to keep them at the Fairmont Hotel, but then the Chief Minister feels that the safest place is the Chief Minister's residence, that is 8 Civil Lines. But the indication coming in from Sachin Pilot himself and then very close aides of Sachin Pilot that you can't keep them forever. And then the MLAs will choose sides. And at the end of the day, that he is ready and he is fighting for the people of Rajasthan. And this is a direct attack back on the Congress party because we just heard Surjewala saying that personal ambitions are not above the party. So it's an attack back on Surjewala. Sachin Pilot attacks and makes it very clear that it's the fight for the people of Rajasthan and it's going to be a long haul and he's going to make his intent very clear very soon. But let there be no doubt about it. Indications are out there on the open. Writing is on the wall, Shravan and Pradeep.
Right.
We can read it out that he's not going back into the Congress's fold until and unless Ashok Gehlot is not removed from the Chief Minister's position. And that is something which Sonia Gandhi is not going to do, Shravan.
Since morning, you have been asserting this point that Sachin Pilot will not be going back to the Congress party. And the news break, which was done first by Republic at 10 p.m. yesterday, has come out to be true. And yes, Shravan.
Let me also bring in Aishwarya for a quick check because there's been fast-paced developments in Aishwarya with you, with help of the information that we've got so far. Let's also put out developments that have taken place over the last couple of hours, Aishwarya, in terms of the meetings that are going to take place and perhaps what are we really expecting in the next few hours. Numbers are with whom, Aishwarya?
Numbers are with Ashok Gehlot at this point of time, but then Sachin Pilot claims that 25 with him, 18 there, who wants to move out, and if that happens, then Ashok Gehlot is in trouble. But at this point of time, what is happening is that switching is happening between both the camps. There is a minister who's flying in from Delhi back to Jaipur. There are 18 ministers claimed by Sachin Pilot, 18 MLAs, Shravan, claimed by Sachin Pilot camp that they want to come out of the official residence, come back to Manesar. So what's happening is that with IT raids happening, with the agencies getting active onto the very, very close edge, the closest of the close of the Chief Minister, there is a sense of desperation setting in within the MLAs. And the Chief Minister has sensed it. That's why he's keeping them at his official residence, nowhere else but his official residence, because the minute they come out, it's going to be a rat race. And that is something which Ashok Gehlot is aware that he can lose, because now BJP is playing from behind the curtain. You cannot deny it. You cannot deny it anymore. The meeting which took place yesterday, Sachin Pilot, Jyotiraditya Scindia and a top BJP leader. The meeting which took place early morning today between Sachin Pilot and a top leader. And that last conversation at around 11:20 between Sachin Pilot and Ahmed Patel, in which it was completely communicated that I am not coming back till you remove Ashok Gehlot. And that's not happening because Sonia Gandhi has denied it. It's very clear that it's going to be a long haul. But then Ashok Gehlot needs to keep his flock together for a longer period of time. It's not for an hour. It's not for a day. It's going to be for 5, 7, 8 days, because Sachin Pilot is ready to fight it out. Sachin Pilot is not going back. That is what we are being clearly told by our sources, Shravan.
Well, a quick